Hello viewers, welcome to Excel Formula Tips video series. In this video, I will show you how you can insert date and time into your Excel sheet. So here I will insert the current date. So for this, you just need to press from your keyboard Ctrl plus semicolon. So if you press Ctrl plus semicolon together, you can insert your current date here. So you can see in my system now it's 3rd March 2022 and the date is same as here. And for inserting the current time, you need to press from your keyboard Ctrl plus Shift and colon. So you can see the current time is also available as my system. So for current date and time, press Ctrl plus semicolon and then give space and press Ctrl Shift and colon for time. So I hope this video will help you to insert date and time, and see you next video. Bye.